Good morning, P2 students. Today is Thursday and it's the 15th of August 2020. This will be our last um, assignment, right? This will be our last assignment for tomorrow. It's our last day. So tomorrow we're just going to have fun and just say tomorrow will be our potluck day, right? So we're just going to have maybe play games online and that's it. So congratulations everyone, you made it to term 4. Yay! So for today's assignment, you are going to give 5 examples of things or activities that you do in daytime. So 5 activities, you write down 5 activities you do in the daytime and another 5 and another 5 activities or things that you do during nighttime. So total of 10 activities. So 5 things or activities you do for daytime and 5 things or activities you do for nighttime. Okay, so today I'm going to show you some examples of things that we can do during morning or like daytime. So these are routines. So routines are things that you do like every day, right? You follow, like for example, like in the daytime, it's good morning, time to shine and rise. So, and the first thing in the morning when you wake up, you make your bed, you clean up your bed, and then maybe if you have a curtain in the window, you can open it. Then you eat your breakfast, and then you get dressed. Maybe after shower, you get dressed. If you're wearing a pajama, then maybe you want to change it and then you wash your face or maybe you take a shower. And then what else? You brush your teeth, you brush and do your hair and pack up your bag and then go to school, right? Or go to play somewhere or go to the mall. So these are some examples of activities that you can do in the morning. How about in the evening? So these are also activities that you can do or follow during nighttime or evening routine. Alright, so routine is like you do it every day, like you follow a certain step. Okay, first thing in the morning, this is what I want to do. First thing at night, this is what I want to do. So at nighttime, you can wash your hands or wash your face, or you can also take a bath or like a quick shower, right? And then you can also set the table. Maybe you help your mom preparing the dinner and then you eat your dinner or supper, and then you clean your dishes in the sink, and then you can take a shower, or sometimes you just don't want to shower, you just want to wash your face, it's okay. And then you put your pajamas on, right? Pajamas are dress you wear during nighttime. I have a pajama, but I have only one or two. So sometimes I just wear like regular clothes for the house. I don't wear my school uniform to go to sleep, right? That's not cool. And you can drink your milk, or but make sure you brush your teeth after you eat anything at night, right? And then brush your teeth, and then we tidy our rooms and toys away from the clothes folded. So we make sure that our bed is clean, so you will have a relaxing time to sleep. And if you want your room to be dark, you can close your curtains, like the window covers, and then you can read stories with your mom and with your dad or with your siblings, right? And then it's finally time to sleep. Yes. So again, for your assignment today, you're going to write 5 activities you do during daytime and 5 activities you do during nighttime. Alright, so that's all for today and congratulations, it's finally term 4 and see you all tomorrow for our potluck day. Goodbye. And here's your star.